Welcome to the Garden Island of Kauai, the perfect destination for the 2024 Rotary District 5000 Conference. Join us from May 10th to May 12th, 2024 at the Kauai Beach Resort and Spa, just outside of Lihui. We'll gather to discuss the issues that matter most to us, find ways to make a positive impact on the world, and celebrate our Rotary year. Our Rotary theme is Create Hope in the World, and there's no better place to feel hopeful and inspired than on Kauai. And the best part? You can turn your trip into a vacation and explore all that Kauai has to offer. Take in the natural beauty of Kauai with a round of golf, hike to one of the famous waterfalls, or explore a state park. The early bird rate of $399 starts on May 23rd and goes through February 16th, 2024. Sign up now with a QR code. Come to Kauai and create memories that'll last a lifetime.
We can't wait to see you.
So what are you waiting for? Hurry and sign up to experience the perfect combination of inspiration and relaxation at DISCON2024 Kauai.